Simplify and state domain restrictions. All right. So what I have is I have a p plus 4 living in the numerator and something that looks factorable in the denominator. So let's factor that out. P plus 4 numerator. Denominator is going to be two numbers that add up to 6 and multiply out to 8. So how about p plus 4 and p plus 2? Okay? Now, my domain restrictions are going to be any number that makes a denominator's factor equal to 0 before I even think about canceling stuff out. Okay, p equals negative 4 is going to make this factor equal 0. P equals negative 2 is going to make that factor equal to 0. So what's going to happen is no matter what, my domain restrictions, my DR, is the fact that P cannot equal negative 4 and it cannot equal negative 2. Now what I can do after I state my domain restrictions is cross out any factors that's the same in the numerator as it is in the denominator. Once I do that, I'm left with just 1 up in the numerator and p plus 2 in the denominator. So even though I got rid of the factor p plus 4, it is still a domain restriction because you cannot plug in negative 4 into the initial problem without making the bottom equal to 0. So domain restrictions are done before you simplify. Very important to do that.